just to give a little flavor. I also would like to add fresh orange, 1 tablespoon of fresh orange juice in here, just to add more flavor. Okay, because it's gonna be a fruity one, so that would add. All right, after overnight in the fridge, here's our dough. That's looking good. Let's take it out. I think I forgot to put some. Let's just put a little bit of flour in here. All right. There, that's ready. And now we're just gonna pull this. I think our dough looks so good. Let's do the egg wash, and let's sprinkle some brown sugar to give a nice brown top when it's done. Oops. It is now baking at 350 for 1 hour or until it's golden brown. Here is our bread. We just took it out and we're going to let it cool down. We'll flip it and let's cut it. Alright, so here is our final bread. And you probably noticed that there's some stuff already missing in here. We couldn't wait. We had to dig into the middle. All right, let's start slicing it. There we go. So we can see how good is our bread. My goodness, you will love this bread. More. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Right, there's our bread, our delicious bread. All right, let's try to decorate. Let me see. I would like to put this pomegranate in the middle, and I would like to put this orange in the middle. And now, let's see. Grapes. Okay. And we can design there. Just a little bit. And put some rosemary in here. It smells so good. Let's put it all in this side. This will be perfect for your New Year's table. Sprinkle some pomegranate seed. I just took out some from here. Let's sprinkle it. And sprinkle this. Here is our final holiday fruit and nut bread. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone. Happy holidays to all of you and your family.